We students of Delhi University from Fraternity Movement and various other student political organizations are standing here in front of the Controller of Examinations Office of Delhi University. The administration has placed examinations tomorrow on Bakrid, regardless of the many Muslim minority students who are studying in the institution. This decision is basically institutional impunity, which is going to be repeated again in the future. We will not allow the Delhi University administration to be taken over by Brahminical Hindutva forces, which seek to undermine the diversity that is present in Delhi University. We have been standing here since morning, and the administration security forces have dragged the students out of the Controller of Examinations office, including women. Some closest students have also been told they have been physically harassed, and there has been nothing taken from the administration so far. They have asked us for a written memorandum, but then no response has been gotten so far. We demand that the exam be postponed for all students of Delhi University, regardless of UG, PG and other departments. The Faculty of Law students there has been a High Court order which says that the exam should be can be rewritten of students who celebrate Eid. But then what's to say that discrimination won't be done against these students? We demand that the exam is postponed to all students, including Faculty of Law, and that every student get a holiday tomorrow, which is a gazetted central holiday. That even though Delhi University has released a notification for officials to be given a holiday tomorrow, students are still being asked to write exams. This is unfair, unjust and undemocratic, and we will raise our voices for every single student of DU as long as it takes.